Hi, let's give this K30 a good clean. Before you start, make sure your grinder is unplugged. First, close the hopper's shut-off slide. Loosen the grub screw to release the hopper. Remove the hopper. Vacuum out any beans left in the chamber. Loosen the flathead retaining bolt found on the side of the top plate. Rotate the top plate anti-clockwise as far as it will go. Using a hex key, remove the bolt inside the neck of the grinder. Now lift off the top plate. Remove the 3 flathead screws holding the brass plate. Lift out the top grinding plate. Vacuum and clean the bottom grinding disc thoroughly. Use a small brush to dislodge the hard to reach grinds. Use a small pokey thing such as a wooden coffee stirrer to clear the exit spout. Clean the outer body with a damp cloth. Now it's time to reassemble your grinder. Be sure to replace the top grinding plate in the identical position, then screw firmly into place. Refit the grinder's top lid. This can be tricky to align. Screw in your hex bolt to secure, then tighten your side screw. Finally, reinsert your hopper, secure with the grub screw and pull out the hopper's shut-off slide. Don't forget to dial your grinder back in. We recommend cleaning your grinder after every 20 kilograms. Don't underestimate how important this is. Thank you.